Hi guys, today we talk about Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro. It's launched on November 2023. The dimensions of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro: height 6.33 inch, width 2.975 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 209 gram, and the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro display, it comes with OLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 89% screen to body ratio. And the resolution of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro is 2K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro screen protection. It has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The platform of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro is Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro is 12, 16 and 24 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card port in this mobile. The camera setup of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and it records 8K 24 fps video. The selfie camera is 16 megapixel with 1080p 60 fps video record. The battery backup of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging and no reverse wireless charging support in this mobile. The commons and the feature of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, the fingerprint under display, USB Type-C, infrared port, stereo speakers, NFC, UFS 4.0. And the price of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro is $599.